How to fix Dell SupportAssist BSOD and other problems in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might be encountering BSOD critical process died or another blue screen due to SupportAssist, the Dell software. Recently, several Dell users are suffering from this problem. Follow the steps to fix it. The first method is disable Dell SupportAssist remediation service. For this, click on Search, type Services, click on Services, look for Dell SupportAssist remediation. To be fair, my computer is from Lenovo and Dell SupportAssist cannot be installed on this computer. I am showing an example here. Suppose this is the Dell SupportAssist. Then right click on this service, select Properties. For a startup type, click on the drop down and select Disabled. Click on Apply. And if the service is running, click on Stop. Click on OK. Then close the services window and restart your computer. After restarting, the issue should be fixed. If the issue still persists, uninstall the Dell SupportAssist program. For this, right click on Start, select Installed Apps. Here is the list of installed apps. Find Dell SupportAssist in this list. Suppose this is the Dell SupportAssist. Then click on three dots, select Uninstall and click on Uninstall. If any confirmation wizard appears, follow the on-screen instructions. After uninstalling the software, restart your computer. The issue related to Dell SupportAssist will be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.